Welcome to this video. My name is Kirk Kaplan with the law and accounting firm Crest here in Las Vegas. And today we're going to talk about the 3 ways that you can convey property after death. No matter how you've heard about it, read about it in the papers, talked to your friends about it, saw it on television, heard it in a podcast, there's only 3 ways that you can convey property. All of the techniques described, wherever you've heard it, boil down to those 3 ways. So the first way that you can convey property is by operation of law. And a good example of operation of law is community property with rights of survivorship between spouses located in Nevada. Another way is by joint tenancy. And essentially what that is saying, both of those are saying is the surviving owner receives the property by operation of law after the death of the first spouse or the first owner of the property. There's no need to go into probate. All that individual has to do is file a piece of paper with the county recorder's office claiming that they are the survivor of the property and that they receive it, no probate. The second way that you can convey title or property is by contract. And a good example of a contract is life insurance that essentially says, upon my death, pay this person. That's essentially what happens. As long as the premium payments are paid on the person's life that's being insured, then upon that individual's death, the beneficiaries to that life insurance policy, all they have to do is file an application, probably send a death certificate, and they receive the property or payment of the life insurance proceeds after that individual dies. That is by contract. Another contract, by the way, which is a common use technique, is a revocable living trust. That simply says, upon my death or upon the death of the individual, the trustee that manages the assets of the trust, after paying administrative expenses, debts of the decedent, and etc., the proceeds will then be paid to the beneficiaries of the trust. Now, the third way to convey property is by probate. And I say probate is the default way of conveying property because, again, if it's not conveyed by operational law nor by contract, then the only other way that you can convey property is by probate. Now, probate is simply the process that must be followed through the court system to clear title from a dead person to living people. That's simply what that is to understand. So, today I talked about the 3 ways that you can convey property after death: by operation of law, by contract, and by probate. If you have any questions, please call me. My name is Kirk Kaplan. I'm with the law and accounting firm Crest.